Where's the big elephant?
Right there.
Really? What color is the elephant? Open your eyes and tell me the color. Open your eyes.
Oh, with green spots.
Purple with green spots. Are there spots on the trunk?
No, there's no.
Okay. How'd you jumped a building? Is that how you broke your nose?
I missed.
Did you hit the building?
My nose hit a bird.
A bird? While you were in the air still?
He went over, Dr. Patel, I think, went over orders with you, didn't
He did.
Okay. It said just a general anesthesia, those words. Anesthesia, Dad, you got your divine power.
No, you have amnesia. You don't have amnesia. You have anesthesia.
Prescriptions you need to go over with him.
From Cinderella.
Yeah, I was trying to get him to take Dr. He said just one time his nose hurt, but he's good.
Would you like your oxygen off now?
Not my nose.
Well, leave your nose on.
No.
It's not a horn. That wasn't a car.
We're in the car.